So this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Amazon Echo Spot. This just recently came to Canada. It was available in the US for a few months, but now it's available in Canada for around $169. It's Amazon's second Echo device with the display. The first was the Echo Show, but that's not available in Canada. But it has a much smaller form factor, more kind of circular design, rounded design, rather than the kind of square, like big squarish, rectangular kind of boxy design of the Echo Show. So it can do all the stuff. This Echo Spot can do all the stuff that Alexa can do, like call your contacts, alarm clocks, music, and control your smart home products. It also has far-field voice technology. It has Amazon's new voice field technology, so it should be better. Yeah, like it's stylish and compact and whatnot. It has built-in speaker. It has Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and audio input, or not audio and aux output, so you can connect it to external speakers instead of using the speakers on here. So let's get inside the box. So here, the Amazon Smile logo, a little kind of pull tab, and there we go. Here's the Echo Show itself. Amazon logo on the back. That's the power, and that's the auxiliary out. Screen, the webcam or camera for video calls and whatnot. There's actually a setting where you can turn it off. And then the power adapter, the Amazon logo and whatnot, and quick start guide and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the Amazon Echo Spot. It's available now in Canada, US, and yeah.